Just want to give you a quick update about the resources that are available at Load Chart Academy for the TLL specialty exam. I still have the load chart problems available, but I've also added access to 10 video tutorials. These 10 video tutorials show you the different variations for load chart problems that you're likely to see on a CCO specialty exam. Again, here's a listing of the videos. Video covering the load charts, video covering how to use a range diagram, and then there are several videos that look specifically at different problem variations. Again, the practice problems are still here, 45 practice problems broken down into 3 sets, and here's what they look like. Here are the problems, the first part, and then the solutions. And if it's an extra wire rope problem, I show you how to use the range diagram to find the tip to ground distance, which is necessary to calculate your wire rope deduction. All right, just wanted to give you a quick update. Again, you can go to loadchartacademy.com and access this material. Let me know if you have any questions.